One distracted driver can change the course of your and your family's future in an instant. Don't let your pain be doubled by weak representation and a poor outcome. Our expert lawyers are here to explain your rights, answer your questions, and hold your hand through the entire legal process. We are professional, detail-oriented and compassionate. Our firm has successfully managed even the most complex injury cases. Please call us today to speak with one of our expert injury attorneys. We have the experience to get you the compensation you deserve.